Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be flipping through some seasonal items that are releasing on the 7th, so Thursday the 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time from the Happy Planner. I'm just going to do some flip throughs. All of these items are going to be available then to purchase. I'll have my affiliate link down in the description if you want to use that. Also, some buy more, save more discount codes will be in the description as well. But I'm just going to flip through these. I have other sticker books. I just wanted to do like a seasonal category because seasonal is my favorite. And there are a few sticker books. I don't have all of them. I received just these. So definitely check out the site to see everything else. But I do have 3 sticker books. I have this extension pack, and also I wanted to mention, just an honorable mention, these discs because they feel very seasonal. They are metal discs and they are these like orangey color. I don't know, they're really pretty. I plan on changing out my planner disc to this for the fall because I think that's really pretty, or like for Halloween and stuff. Really pretty color. So yeah, there's some discs available too that are releasing, so a few different options too. All right, I'm gonna go over this first. The Undated Calendar extension. It's like a holiday type of extension, and it comes with a bunch of different things, but I'm going to flip through everything in this video. So I've purchased these before in the past, and they're really cute. They're really cute. So the first section, and these are, you can just make like a holiday planner, and these are cool to like just pop in, because it's got everything. It's got all the tabs and everything, which is really nice. And I really love the illustrations for this one. So we have this first one, that's the menu, feeling festive. And then when you go in, it has the holiday menu planner that you can put the details, the guests, your dishes that you plan on serving. So if you really go all out on the holidays, there's lots of space for you to write and to prep. So we have the things to prep in advance, the day before, the day of, important notes. You have a nice shopping list, a little section right here for notes, another note section, holiday meal planner, again, another section in case you're having maybe another party, or you can use this for a few different years. So you have another section here. You have oh, this is cute. So this is kind of like a recipe type page. You can put the recipe here, the ingredients, directions, notes. You can give it a little rating. Then you can pick if it's like dairy free or lactose free. And then all the info for prep time, cook time, preheat, and serves. So you get a few pages like that. They can make some like holiday recipes, which is nice. Cool. So there's that menu section. I love this one, merry and bright with all the little animals and the mushrooms. So cute. Holiday party planner. Again, has a section for the details, party theme, invitations, like all the details, when to send them by, the RSVP date, the entertainment and games, music playlist, food and drink. Be very organized. Your budget and spending, guest list, whether they RSVP'd or not, things to do, shopping list. You have food and drink, decorations, and others. I like that it's sectioned off like that. And then you have another section for another party. So you can do 2 parties. And this one, section for cards. So you can put the name, address, and then if you sent them a card, you can check it off. So you get a few pages of those. Gifts, it's the merriest time of the year. So people to buy gifts for. And then you can do the gift ideas on the side. It's like the little brainstorming section. And then here is where you can do the gift list, where to buy, price. I like these, where you can really map it out like this. And then once you bought it, you can check it off. And once you wrapped it, you can check it off. Okay, so you get a few sheets of those. I probably would just need like 1 sheet per year. So this would last me a while. I love this, the stocking stuffers. So cute. Activities. Okay, this was different from what I've seen in the past. So it has 25 days of holidays and then 25 activities. So the first one is have a holiday themed brunch. Second one is listen to your favorite holiday songs. I'm not gonna go through all of them, just a couple. So 13, write a holiday letter to share with family and friends, wear matching PJs. So some different type of little holiday things that you can do throughout the month. I think that's fun. Helps to, you know, get you to do something different each day. And some of them are really cute, like make a holiday card for the elderly, reconnect with an old friend or family member. So it's not just like, you know, doing just like DIYing things or things like that, but it's even like more sentimental things, which is nice. All right, another note section. I really like this one. Holiday watch, read list, holiday movie list. I love watching like Hallmark movies, so that would be cool to keep track of. Holiday show list, holiday book list. I feel like I need more pages of those though. My holiday wish list. Oh, nice for yourself, like a little wish list. List your top 10 wishes below. Maybe they'll come true. A craft project details. So if you want to do a little craft. Holiday scavenger hunt. So this is like to help you set up a scavenger hunt, and it actually has like where the dotted line so you can cut it out. It gives you examples too. Nice. And then this section's for memories. All the memories, so you can put your pictures in here. It even gives you the size of the photo that you need to fit in there. So you got some 2x3s. This one's a 5x7 photo. And 2x5. So you get a few pages like that. And then the back, the very last thing is notes. So we have take note, and it looks like all of that is the same. Oh, and then we get some stickers, of course. Love the stickers. Love that they're punched already too, so you can pop them into your planner. So we have Merry and Bright. It's the merriest time of the year with the little cute little woodland animals. And then you have some quotes. These are clear. I love the colors of this theme. All right, so that is the holiday extension pack. Really, really nice. I just wanted to flip through that a little bit more extensively because there was a lot actually in there. And some of it was different from the past ones. So that was nice to see. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is flip through the books. I have this Woodland Seasons sticker book. And at first I thought, I have this one that's Woodland Seasons Christmas. I thought these were similar, but they're not. I already kind of did a little flip through and they're different. So yeah, if you plan on getting both of these, they're different. All right, so here's the first page. It says, let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Lots of mushrooms. Some sidebar stickers or like long stickers. Decorative clear stickers. Double boxes and bullet points. Monthly stickers. Dashboard stickers. It has like a good variety. And you don't have to use like them in the dashboard or the monthly. There's ways to use them in your regular planner. We have some boxes with headers already on them. Quotes. These are paper with foil. Fall in love with life. Do what makes you happy. Make life wonderful. Decorative boxes. And then the mushrooms and leaves. These are clear. Some more of those long boxes. And, oh, this one is, oh yeah, it's seasonal. So it says, merry and bright, keep going and keep growing. Fall in love with life. Do what makes you happy. Spring is in the air. Oh, so it covers all the seasons? Oh, nice. Seasons change and so do we. Okay. Then we have more mushrooms and butterflies. Love the butterflies. These are paper. Double boxes. Lots of bullet points. More monthly boxes. Boxes with today, remember, priority meeting, note to self, reminder, get it done. These are really cute. These are more the Christmas type. So maybe this one, you might see a little like overlap with this one, I feel. Yeah, that page looks kind of similar. It's a little different. Actually, they're flipped, which I actually like that too, that they're like a different direction. Even though it's the same page, at least they're slightly different in a way. So yeah, you'll get an overlap, I feel, in the Christmas section with that book. Okay, so we have the boxes. More dashboard. Oh, this is for a dashboard planner. I think this theme, maybe. That's why there's a lot of dashboard. So lots of mushrooms. More boxes. The spring ones are cute. Okay, so it's fall, spring, and winter, but no summer, which I'm totally okay with. I'm totally okay with getting rid of summer. Here's some more of the boxes with the mushrooms on it. And then we have quotes in foil. More of those cute little decorative Christmas ones. More quotes in foil. And then the spring ones. Cute. All right, so that is Woodland Seasons. Now, next I'm gonna flip through Woodland Seasons. Christmas. Woodland Seasons Christmas. So this one's all Christmas themed. So you see, it's the merriest time of the year. Feeling festive. Boxes. And then you get those cute little decorative stickers. These are clear. More of those like mushroom. I would cut this off, to be honest. I'm not a fan of the mushrooms on the side. We have the long boxes and checklists. Quotes. Merry and bright. Bring on the merry. Oh, this is a little countdown to Christmas. I actually like that because you can write in your own or put like a number sticker in those. Merry and bright. Okay, more quotes in foil. These are paper. Boxes. Cute little decorative ones. Small little decorative ones. Holiday shopping list. Don't forget. Holiday budget. More of those decorative. I feel like we keep seeing that page over and over again. We got boxes and bullet points. These are another countdown to Christmas, so you can put the number in days until Christmas. Now in paper. Oh no, it's like the same thing over and over again. Okay, these are Christmas bucket list kind of things. So decorate the tree, craft ornaments, take family photos, watch holiday movies. Holiday shopping. Okay, more boxes. More of those little stickers. These are paper. Another budget. Gives you lots of budget. Mushrooms in clear. Decorative boxes. Quotes. Always shine bright. Merry and bright. It's the merriest time of the year. I like that one. That was cute. More mushrooms. Got lots of mushrooms. More of those bucket list items, but they're in a clear type of sticker. There's that page again. That's so funny. I don't know why they repeated that so many times. Okay, and then quotes. Interesting. Okay, so that one is Woodland Seasons Christmas. Very similar to this one. Yeah, very similar. But that one's just Christmas, and this one has spring, fall, and winter, because we're just going to ignore summer happening, which I'm totally okay with. All right, and then we have the last seasonal book that I have is Halloween. And like I said, I didn't receive all the seasonal books, so definitely check out the site to see what else is out there. But I did want Halloween because I love the Halloween stickers, and these are super cute. And I didn't see a lot of repeats in this one, so that's good. But this is a clear sheet right here with the little ghost and the little kitty cat. Hello, spooky season. Hey boo, creep it real. So cute. These are bucket list stickers or circles. So visit a pumpkin patch. Let's get spooky. Boo to you. Eat all the candy. Hey, oh, actually, there are more quotes. Quotes and a little bucket list. Monthly stickers. Ooh, this has that like matte black foil, which I really like that. Like that one's so pretty. Trick or treat yourself. Some fun decorative boxes. These are cool. Spooky notes. Yeah, I like these shapes. Those are really nice. Eye of Cyclops, Wing of Moth. Oh, I like that. That's kind of like the little spell, or the little potions, like the little labels on the potions. It's cute. Some headers. That looks like a big coffin. Spells and stuff. It's cute. Spooky State of Mind. Life of the Party. More of those fun boxes. Well, I call them boxes. And then we have some monthly boxes, some quotes. Decorate for Halloween. Let's go to the pumpkin patch. Happy, happy Halloween. More boxes. I'm not a fan of eyes, but I actually really like that one. Looks like that half the eye. That looks funny. So lots of functional stickers, some washi. Countdown to Halloween, so 1 through 31. Little ghosts, the cute little ghosts. Some mushrooms with skulls. That's different. I've never seen that. Flowers with skulls. Haven't seen that either, so that's more points for originality. We got some little moths with skulls. Some fun different things. We have some potion bottles, Wing of Moth, Fang of Vampire, Eye of Cyclops. Ooh, I love the bats and the stars. Lived, Laughed, Love, Fabulous, Trick or Treat Yourself, Make Today Magical, I Cast a Spell on You. These are all clear, and these are foiled stickers, and these are just clear. Ghoul Gang, Make Today Magical, Life of the Party. Fun. I like that one. That one's really good. If you like Halloween, you definitely need this one. That's a good one. All right, so those were all the seasonal items that I received in my box. Again, these are going to be available to purchase on Thursday the 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will have that linked down in the description of my affiliate link. Also, the discount codes, the buy more, save more codes. Definitely check those out. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.